Beautiful thing about Ethereum is price could actually come all the way down to here, $300, and still go up to 8,000. I'm not saying that we are going down to those prices, but I'm saying you are literally allowed to, and 8,000 is still the next target. 25,000, 54,000, 81,000 would be many years ahead. Do not ask me in the comments what year is that going to happen. I don't know. No one knows. No one knows the timescale on things. Just that in the future, all of these price targets will be met, as one day we were topping out at 1.5k over here and we bottomed out at $82 over here, and it was screaming that price one day will come up to 3,000, come up to 4,500, and many wouldn't have believed it back then. A lot of us were targeting 8k because the 1618 is usually your topping target. We've seen that with Bitcoin topping out at 69,000, and that was at the 1618 where I did a double top over here. It just did the double top at the 1414. So it means that as long as we can now just remain above this golden pocket, we should continue to our 1618 target. We're just getting this nasty 1.5 to 2 year long correction, or bear market we can say. But if you've been following over on these Ethereum videos, you would know that this is a higher low, when in actual fact we were meant to continue lower, as when you push into moving averages as resistance, they're keeping you in a downtrend, and a downtrend is constant lower lows and lower highs. So this being lower than that high, so we do have a lower high, we just need a lower low below this. We were coming down to there, felt some demand, and is now returning back to the area of supply or our resistance. So this is what we were saying over the last few weeks and months, that Ethereum should come and retest the high. So that would be what we see with Bitcoin retesting 24, 25k at the moment, going back to its range high. So we're still anticipating that Ethereum is going to be climbing up a little bit more. We've got some two key weekly moving averages over here, the 55 and the 69. So I want to see these two moving averages cleared. So I just want to see weekly candle closes, price above $1,836. So that's our weekly time frame analysis. Hope you enjoyed that so far. Now, I had a lot of concerns in my personal group chat, because I'm always checking what the 70 people in the chat are saying. They're always constantly helping each other out, and there were a lot of concerns with this area over here because there's a lot of dying momentum, isn't there? We can see multiple wicks are failing to close above our range high over here on the left. So we always look to the left because the structure is giving us clues. We've got our range high, that's the clue, and so going forward we want to see bodies closing above this green line of $1,713. Without doing so, we can dump. Now I'm going to tell you the levels we can't lose at all. So if you want to start a big boy correction for Ethereum and for all your alts, Ethereum needs to lose this wick low over here, tying in with that 69 moving average. Wow, okay, we lost the 55 and we bounced off that exactly. Without that there, we wouldn't have understood why we bounced. So with the 69 being there, it's told us there was something there to push price back above the 55. Now we're back above the 55. We should continue onwards and upwards towards the 20. And if we can break above the 20, which was actually lining up with the golden pocket over here, a level price should not actually break above if it were to correct. So if we wanted the correction to happen, move into this golden area and reject it and lose the wick low. Was this the case? No, we pushed through it, head to the range highs, creating the reversal wave. All we need to do now, and we are doing it right now, is stay above this golden box. If we can stay above this golden box, wow guys, I am going to be anticipating, just as we saw on the weekly time frame, 1.8k. and potentially even 2k, which is our range high over here. So this is what my personal targets are for Ethereum going forward. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so far. Please go ahead, like, subscribe and comment. We're on the road to 10k, so we need to get there as quick as possible. The only way is by you guys bumping that algorithm, sharing it. If you guys want to check out those YouTube channel memberships or be part of my Discord community, check it all down below. You can link me on my Twitter, LouisVibes_. There's a link down below. I'll pin it as well, so it's in the description, but I'll pin it in the comments. Hit that link, and if you want to join my community, you can get the course or the mentorship, and with the mentorship you get the course and the mentorship, the course and the chat all included in one price. So yeah, going forward we just need to see a daily candle close above the 1 fib level over here. But equally, do not lose this golden pocket, because this is what's saying in the short term we should be going up to these targets. In the short term we should be going up to these targets. That is what price staying above or just even getting above this level signals. So now let's just stay above it and we will continue to these targets. However, as I've said in the Bitcoin update, I'm not sure if I already repeated it here, there are 4 fundamental news events occurring this week, unfortunately, guys. So that is where we could see the level of 1584 being lost. Again, we need to see it held. So hopefully these fundamental news events aren't too bleak. Again, we need to hold this low. So there is an opportunity where price loses the golden pocket, heads back down to the range low. We would be expecting continuation, but you can come back, reclaim the golden pocket, and you'd be back on that old path, which is up to those targets. So yeah, we can actually deviate from what it should be doing. So right now we're above the golden pocket. These are our price targets. We should go there, but we can deviate from what we should be doing by losing the golden pocket, heading back to the range lows, reclaiming the golden pocket, and now we're back on the original path. But of course, losing the golden pocket, hitting it as resistance, and then once you lose this low, the path upwards, yeah, it's not looking like it's going to happen anytime soon. So then let's say, I'm not saying this is going to be where we dump to, but let's say we just continue dumping. We will only get that bullish continuation once we reclaim that old golden pocket. So we would need to come back up, reclaim that level, and then yeah, these targets would happen again. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Again, if you want to take action on the course, the mentorship, and be part of this community with over 70 people and growing, then of course private message me on my Twitter. The link is down below, or it's pinned in the messages in the comment section down below. Cheers.